on today's video, I thought it'd be fun to sit down and unbox my pop-up. Apparently I made 2 orders. I thought I only did 1 order, but I am weak and I actually think I did go back and get something that I thought I didn't. So I'll explain more later in the video. So if you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name is Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, unbox, talk about makeup, play in makeup. Before we jump in, I do want to let you all know my top is from Shein. I'll have it linked down below. Make sure to use your Rakuten if you are shopping through Shein. Make that extra money. Also on my eyes, I do have the Makeup Geek Matrix Neutral Palette. I do believe it is now back in stock. I used actually this, hold on, I don't know if y'all can actually see. Okay, so I used these 3 top shades right here, and then these. I actually don't have any primer on today, so this has been on for hours and it's still lasting. I did play around with the foiled pigments. You guys need to try these are amazing. In the inner portion of my lid I have Kaleidoscope, and then I have Gargoyle foiled pigment. These are so awesome. I have been playing with them the past few days. If you haven't checked out the liners yet, definitely recommend the liners. Code HOTMESSMOMMAMD will save you 10% over at Makeup Geek, and highly recommend. I mean, I know this is about Boxycharm, but you guys know I love to like go off track. I bring it back eventually. Anyhow, let's go ahead and jump on in. One more thing I do get a lot of questions on is, how's my hair purple? How do I keep adding color? Y'all, I just get the Moroccanoil color depositing conditioner, and a couple times, once or twice a week, I will put like just leave it sit while my hair is wet, so that's why it's a little like all over the place. But leave it sit on for, you know, 5-10 minutes, what have you. Rinse it back out, then it's like nice and vibrant and fun, and it definitely fades. It's just a depositing conditioner, so you're not stuck in a commitment with it, which, as we know, I have commitment issues with things like color. I have to just do like little depositing things. I can't go permanent. Gemini life, you know. Okay, so before I jump into everything, I do want to remind you all that Boxy Pop-up is happening for May. It starts on May 17th at 12 o'clock Eastern time. May 17th is when you can jump into your account, make your choices for the base, the premium, and the luxe. I've been forgetting to mention that, so I'm filming a bunch of videos today, so I'm trying to remember that. But yeah, June is going to be a BoxyLuxe month, which that is a quarterly subscription. So make sure to set your timer for 12 noon on the 17th. It is a Monday to get in there and make your choices. Afterwards, you're going to get to shop Boxy Pop-up, which has me so flippin' excited because this is always bigger than add-ons. This is when you see everything that you see in add-ons times like 100. Yeah, and it's probably going to stay open for like a week or something. I don't know. I really wish they'd... Anywho, I digress. Okay, so I told you all how bad I was really wanting the Ayana palette, which I thought that I held off. I thought I did not buy it. But then I got really weak and I was like, I don't know if I'm going to get it in my paid for box. Fortunately, I did, but then I don't know. It was one of those things. I have FOMO so bad for this palette. Like, I did receive the Jubilee palette in PR and I love it, but this is just me in a 5-pan palette, you know. So apparently I did go back at some point and snag it, which is fine. I'll just give it to Haley. I mean, she loves Natasha Denona formula, and she's like, Mom, you give me these expensive palettes and then it's like so expensive. And I'm like, but it's okay. I didn't pay $48 for it. So I did pick that up. So Haley will be getting that. And then I did end up picking up a deeper shade of the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. Y'all, I received it in, what box was it? Our premium box maybe. And I had this shade from back when I was like sick in March and had no color, so I was like couldn't figure out what was going on with my skin. Turns out I was severely sick. So now that I'm better and I have color back, it is just way too light. And then now we're going into summer, so of course I'm doing my sunless tanner and everything, so I needed a darker shade. So I guessed a lot of these were sold out, so I went with shade 300. So I know I'm gonna have to be careful because I know this does oxidize a bit. I figure worst case scenario, if it's too dark, I'll just mix my super light in there and I should be able to make my shade. Y'all, this is like, when you pick it up at pop-up, what is it, like 12 bucks, 18 bucks or something? And this is such a good foundation. I know that a lot of people say it's great for oily skin, but y'all, I have normal to dry skin. And as long as I like hydrate really well, I don't have a problem. Same thing goes for this Natasha Denona. This is the transfer matte that we're going to be seeing as a choice in our June premium box. I picked this up a while back, again, with an add-ons or what have you. And as long as I'm like really hydrated and moisturized, this foundation's beautiful. Like I have it on today. I mixed two of the shades. I talked about it in my last video I just filmed where I was going over like June sneak peeks and spoilers for Boxycharm. I love this. And it's funny because I see some people are like, it just doesn't work for me. And I mean, obviously not everything is going to work for everybody, but I love that foundation and I feel like it's very similar to the Fenty. So as long as you're hydrated, I feel like you're going to be okay. So that was everything in that order. So that was like straight up FOMO. The next one, I don't feel like I went as ham. I think I'm just waiting for pop-up because that's when I go that, you know what, crazy. But I also do plan on doing some of my Christmas shopping. And because the thing is, just because you see it in this pop-up or add-on, you may not see it in the next one. So I don't care. FOMO is real, y'all. It's real. So I don't think, why are you not opening? Oh, I'm gonna open it like a monster. So I don't think there's a ton of stuff in here. Oh, okay, so that goes back to my point. I did not see the Rose Plus Quartz Conditioner at all in add-ons this go around, which made me so sad because y'all know how much I love it. My household is now using it, so I try and at least grab two every time, and it wasn't there. So I am like fingers crossed. I want to see the Rose Plus Quartz shampoo and the hair mask available in Boxy Pop-up. Yeah, okay, so I did pick up two more of these Tower 28 SOS sprays. I love, 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 love these. Let me tell you what I have been doing. Okay, so I noticed, and I've talked about it in the past, that, and it's my own fault, like even though I have like a razor subscription where you just change the razor and you have a new fresh razor every time, I get lazy. And of course I don't remember until I'm in the shower starting to shave and I'm like, oh, and then I won't get out and get a new one. So then these get irritated, or the downstairs gets a little like, seriously? And I'm like, sorry. This, okay, this SOS is amazing. So I use it as a skincare product as well, but I also use it after I shave. Anywhere you shave, just spritz it night and day. I even use it on my legs, my bikini area, my armpits. This stuff is amazing. So I got one for my kids, one for myself. I needed backup. I will be picking more of this up if it is available in Boxy Pop-up, because that little tip, my armpits have not been irritated. My bikini area has not been irritated ever since I started doing this. Now I know some people are like, well, it's probably your shaving cream. Y'all, I'm lazy. I do not even have time for that extra step of like washing myself, then putting shaving cream on. No, I'm washing, shaving, dealing with my hair, and I'm jumping out. So could I probably fix it with shaving cream? Yeah, but this, much easier, much easier. Okay, then this is such a boring order. Okay, sorry guys. So this is the Bumble and Bumble Luminous, or Bumble and Bumble Color Gloss Luminous Hair Shine and Cool Blonde. So I had only picked up one of these just to try out, and I love it. So if you have highlighted, bleached hair, what have you, and you do tend to get like brassy tones in it, this stuff is amazing. You can't find this anywhere for the price you can get it at Boxycharm add-ons or pop-up. I think I paid like $6 or something for this, and it comes in a tube. And what threw me off the first time, oh, it comes with gloves too. I don't use the gloves, but you can. So I thought this was a shampoo. So I was using this like my Redken shampoo, and it's not. So it's literally like a toner. All you do is, I've applied it when my hair was dry, and I did a workout on my Peloton, which I told you all back then. It was stupid because then I sweat and then there was like bluish purple running down. But it literally deposits into your hair, kind of similar, I feel like, to this Moroccanoil, and it just adheres to the blonde and just cools it down and tones it, and I absolutely love it. I love it so much that I picked up 5 of them because it was one of those things where I found it in one add-on and then I never saw it again. So I saw it, I snagged it. I do want to pick up the clear gloss as well. But again, if you are a blonde and you struggle needing to tone down your hair, it's a process, but you leave it. I left mine on for like 20 or 30 minutes and it was awesome. Like it was awesome. I'm gonna try it even with this too. I don't care. So anywho, wanted to let you all know that if it is available, this is actually really good. I'll be picking up the clear one as well, but that was my add-on order. Can you believe that? Like, who am I? I don't know. Anyways, y'all, that is all for today's quick little video. Don't forget, May 17th is when you're going to make sure to get into your account. One thing I want to let y'all know that I see a lot of people make comments on is it's not prompting me to make my choice. I've had that happen. And when it happened to me, it was because I was not actually logged into my account. I had gone to Boxycharm. It didn't automatically log me in. I had to log myself in. And then the next screen was choice screen. So just make your choice, then you can shop. And I have to say, add-ons came a lot faster this go around. So maybe they're prepping and ready for Boxy Pop-up. Anyways, friends, don't forget to give me a follow over on my vlog channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs, for some plus size curvy girl fashion hauls. I did do a Shein haul over there. Again, if you are shopping Shein, make sure to use your Rakuten, make that money back. I'll have everything linked and listed down below, my Makeup Geek little finds and everything. So anyways, y'all, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. Thank you again for the follow. If you did go over and follow me over on Instagram, we hit that 10K goal and I am swiping uppy crazy. I'm trying not to do it too much because I don't want people to be like, geez, Rhonda, stop. Yeah, I know, that's where I'm at in life. It's anyways, friends, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.